about it. You might wonder why I'm drilling weep holes up here as opposed to down there. After I get the rough casting done, the weep hole, there will be weep holes down there as well. This all has to be rough casted because this is a rubble basement, and you would need to have rough casting on a rubble basement, a stone basement, a brick foundation, brick basement, anything that is somewhat solid that water can penetrate through. Now, on standard cinder blocks, you put them on the bottom. Okay? Putting weep holes up here because this block is below grade. Water can get inside of these blocks and have nowhere to go. It's not going to go, you know, it will seep slowly, but there's a possibility that you could get water that builds up in these blocks. As you can see, there's a water buildup on the bottom of these blocks. If I just go ahead and rough cast this, water can stay inside of these blocks. So what has to be done is you have to drill the weep holes in the bottom of this block so that if water gets inside of here, rough casting will be here, the water will leak out, hit the rough casting, and go down into the system behind the wall.
Now here I would like to show you the importance of weep holes and the fact that the weep holes have to be drilled into every cell of every block and every mortar joint. As you can see, as I drill each cell, the water comes out. But the water also comes out of the mortar joints where the two blocks come together. Now, the holes are not to the bottom of the block because the bottom of the block at times can be solid. When you're drilling into a wall, you might hit a solid area. You have to stop drilling and raise the drill, try again, until the water does come out. Now we have two pumps on this job. Our discharge line is going to run in the trench and underneath the concrete to a central location. As you can see, both lines from both pumps come up the wall and outside of the building. We have our plastic up on this job and our wire mesh. This is a shot of the Zenite panel behind the oil tank. Water will seep through the rubble wall, hit the plastic behind the rough casting, and it will hit the Zenite panel and it will go down into the system. This is a Zoller pump before it gets installed. Outside we have our underground discharge line, which goes to something that we call a bubbler pot. The water will actually bubble up from the ground. And here's our finished product. As you can see, the rough casting is done. We've painted the walls. The basement is clean. And it's a stellar job.